Hey, this is Jay with Exploring.com, and this is the opening weekend of Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness at AMC Theaters, Downtown Disney. It's opening night for another Marvel movie here at AMC Downtown Disney. This Marvel movie, do you know anything about this Marvel movie?
Yeah.
Are you a pro at the Marvel stuff?
Yeah.
No, she is not. All right, I'll cut that part out then. So tonight is the opening weekend for Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness. These things are back, man. These are like the real legit Marvel movies that we used to go see back in the day. And what better place to see them than Downtown Disney at night on a Friday. We're gonna see a Marvel movie at Disney. Some of these awesome people here have cool shirts like this. What are your names, guys?
Jen. I'm Christina.
Jen and Christina and all our friends are here to come hang out with us and party. What's up, Doc? Good to see you, man. To get you caught up on the timeline here, we are at Doctor Strange, Multiverse of Madness, grand opening for Friday night. When we last left off Spiderman Far From Home was the first time that we got to see Multiverse. I'm pretty excited for this one. The first movie that came out, the Doctor Strange movie, was awesome, man. It completely changed everything for me, man. The special effects, the way they bent everything around. I just remember being at that movie and like my mind being blown. And then like little guy was born. And then the Blues won the cup also like that same next year. So I'm super excited for this. We haven't seen a Doctor Strange movie in forever. From what I've seen, it also has a lot of Scarlet Witch, and we're running a little bit late, so I'm gonna go check it out, and I'll let you know how it is right after the movies. I'm starting to see a ton more people down here at the movie theater. This is amazing to me. 7 months ago, this place was just absolutely empty, and I was walking around like by myself. So this is awesome to see everybody back out to the movies. We're getting ready to walk in. Time to turn the camera off, lights down, phone's off, right? I'll give you a review after the movie. All right, so the movie just got out. I just made a couple really rowdy friends that were having fun. I'm gonna save the review because I don't want to spoil it here in the middle of everybody.
No spoilers!
What'd you guys think? Good?
Amazing! Absolutely amazing!
Thanks for watching, everybody.
We can't wait to go on another adventure with you!
Yeah!